Hi folks, this is Nachiket signing in for today's topic, site preparation. We are doing this topic for low risk building and build from scratch. Okay, so today we are going to cover specialized works under site preparation. So these are the four basic specialized works that we will come across complex site condition. Okay, so here it is: dewatering, demolition, access road, and drain. It's non-mandatory though, but let's learn how this works are conducted, because it's quite important, because you may face it anytime, anywhere, in any kind of complex site conditions. Yes, we'll understand the conditions as well. So the first method for dewatering is uh, sump pumping and deep well. These are the basic two methods of dewatering. But let's understand the site conditions where it is employed. Sump pumping is conducted in case of shallow water condition, water stagnant condition, and in deep well is engaged in case suppose the water table is -1 feet, -1 from the ground, from the existing ground level, and you need to have a footing bed level at 10 feet, as you are going for a massive foundation structure like raft or stitch slab kind of thing. In that case, you need to lower the water table. That's why deep well dewatering is being conducted. Okay, so as we are going for low risk building, some pumping is quite beneficial, because here what happens is you're going to have a small trench, so that the water via slope comes to a particular sump where you need to dug a big well, and in that well just use a submersible pump and drop the water and throw it outside the plot area, and you will see that your land is out of the stagnant water condition. Okay, but in case of deep well, case of dewatering, what happens is you need to engage lot of centrifugal pumps. You need to first borewell, you need to have some certain borewells out there, at least minimum, for a 1000 square feet of land area you need to have at least 30 to 40 centrifugal borewell areas, where the deep point is kept out and where the water is drawn out, and again it is thrown out from in a very distant place. Even that should be a non-permeable surface where the water should not come inside again, and the groundwater is raised. So in that entire area you will find that dewatering will hamper the groundwater level out there. Okay, so it is costly as well, requires skill, is very even have a very devastating effect on the environment as well. Okay, then come the specialized works too, that is demolition. Here you need to engage three type of ways, that is manual, mechanical, and combo. And another one that is blasting, but we are not going for that because this is a low risk building condition, right? So we are not going for blasting anyway. So in manual, you need just a labor to operate this equipment, that is demolition chisel, hammer equipment. This basically it is employed in hourly basis on rent. In case of mechanical, the same thing happens, but here also you need to have a large area so that this jackhammer mounted backhoe excavator can reach the site, and there should be a plenty of area. So again, if the site is accessible from all the directions, then go for this mechanical kind of way for demolition. Okay, of big rocks. Then the last and most effective topic is combo. Here you need a rotary drilling machine to drill out through the rocks. Then you can employ expansive chemical grout, which will take some time, but after some time it will automatically disintegrate the rock. Okay, so this is the best way of getting your work done. After that you can employ mechanical or manual means to dispose of the disintegrated rocks. The next comes the access road. I think I hope this condition should not come to any time, but this happens a lot many times. Many of these areas are underdeveloped. You won't find a CC road out there by the developer. So what they do is they just have a means muram filling, and the work is done by the developer. They leave the site. So it is again on the society where the plot owners are going to construct their house out there. So it is on their behalf that they will construct the road again, everything. But in case you are the initiator, you cannot construct the road by yourself, so it should be affordable means to get this work done. uh, these are the site conditions that you can see out here. So here are the basic things or basic raw materials that we employ for an affordable road, so that at least the work is concluded. Okay, so that high loaded trucks can just pass through these roads. Okay, so here you need to use debris like concrete debris, malwa also you can say in Hindi. Then it is broken bricks. You can collect it from local red bricks chimney. Then crusher dust. This is the most effective way. This is amply available from the nearby crusher area where the boulders are crushed into 20 aggregates, okay, or 40 aggregates. Then the laterite soil, if it is amply available nearby your site, or any kind of laterite soil you can use for backfilling purpose, okay, to maintain this. We have two kind of examples out here. You can see here we are using this debris out here, we are dumping it. Then here the crusher dust is also dumped. Then one backhoe excavator levels up and spreads the debris across the road. Then the crusher dust is spreaded across evenly, and you can see the road is ready. Yes, so this is the mixed arrangement that you need to understand how to do this. Okay, then comes the specialized works 4, that is drain. In such kind of water stagnant conditions, pumping out the water is also very difficult, because you can see lot of water amply stagnant in this condition. So here is a condition you can see. You can see in this diamond portions the various levels are presented, and this blue represents the stagnant water condition. And plot number 1, here we are going to construct our house. So it is around 0.9 and it is minus 1.5 from the benchmark, and here is the benchmark is here in the mid of the road. So above it 0.5, it is the road slope, and 0.6 to here to 0 is also the road slope. And this road basically is helping this water stagnant condition. Even this is the condition where the developer leave this place like this once the developed is done, and they sell the plot and they leave it like this. But here the basic thing is that you have a farmland which is minus 2.4, means less than this, less depth than this thing. So what you can do is you can you can create a cross drainage over here, and the water spills away from this to this portion. Okay, because getting percolated inside the earth, it will take a long time, so you cannot wait for such time. So do one thing, just have a cross connection drain. So this is one drain, but again this is plot number 8. Maybe here also the owner will start his or her work. So better way is constructing the drain in the road itself. You can have a well. This yellow portion is a well. You can just cover it through a manhole cover. Then again the water from this portion comes to this well, and from this well again this will drop to this particular farmland, and here the water level will automatically go down. Okay, so now you can construct easily. So let's understand how the cross connection drainage is done. The best way and affordable way is to use hume pipes for that. If you are going for a concrete kind of drain, then it will be a costlier thing. So go for precast hume pipes of around dia of 1.5 feet. Again you need to excavate this area, then connect the pipes, lay the pipes, then connect it. Here is the connected pipes. Then you can see the cross, after this cross connection, water is exiting from this particular place, and you can also finish this via a particular proper concrete structure, so that this road remains for a long time. Okay, so thank you. See you in the next video, that is site facilitation.